Are you ready to say goodbye to BeReal? Maybe you are taking a break or looking to delete your account for good. Whatever be the reason, we have got you covered. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let's get started. To delete your BeReal account, open the app and then tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. After that, tap on the three dot buttons at the top right of the screen to open settings. Now that the setting is open, you will find an other option in the settings subheading. Tap on other and here you will find a delete account option. Just select it. After that, give the reason and then press I am sure. Confirm by pressing yes, I am sure again. And as you can see, your account has been deleted. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me Hemant signing off.